In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use the quick mode spotlight on your DJI Neo. If you just purchased the DJI Neo, congratulations, and let me tell you that you have made a great investment, because this DJI Neo drone is great for content creators and also for people that are into self-videoing. Stay until the end, because at the end I will tell you when to use this mode and why it can be so effective. Let's get it started. This is the DJI Neo. I know you are excited once you get it and you want to go and fly it, but before you do so, make sure to charge the battery in full. So the way you charge the battery, you plug in your USB-C to USB-C port. USB-C goes in there, and the USB-C port goes into the power socket or wall socket that is going to go into the wall. So make sure that it's fully charged before you go for your first flight, because the DJI Neo only can fly for about half an hour and then you have to recharge it. So you want to start with 100% of battery and then off you go. Now, to turn your DJI Neo on, you click this button here once and twice and hold, and once it makes this sound and the propeller turns, it means your drone is now activated and on and ready to fly. And the next one, what we're gonna do next is go to the DJI app and set up the right setting that we need to fly the quick mode spotlight. That's it. So pretty much once you have it all set up, and all you need to press is the button here, the front button here, and hold it for 3 seconds, and the drone should perform the spotlight.
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
So with the spotlight, the drone is gonna fly, hovering in the air in the same spot that it is now. And all you need to do is move around, and the drone should follow my face, whichever way I go. So if I go this way, as you can see here, the drone is gonna hover at the same spot and just turn around towards me. If I move this way, the drone is gonna still hovering on the same spot and just turn around and show me. So the best way you can use this quick mode spotlight is when you are presenting something or anything and you need to go and show the area where you are presenting and show sort of that way, and then also decide to move around and present on this end as well. So this is pretty much the two ways, or the best way to use the spotlight mode on a DJI Neo drone. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me down in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more. Now, the way you can stop this DJI drone is just by walking towards it and putting your hand under it, and it should come to a complete stop. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if it's been of any value to you, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the button down here, and also watch this video over here, which is going to be very, very entertaining, and also any to do with the DJI Neo and how and when to use it. Until the next video, I'll see you right here.